Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix active status on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open up our Messenger application right over here. And let's say that your issue is that you can't see other people's active status, or you just want to share your own active status and let people know that you are currently online on Messenger or not. So to do that, once you open your Messenger app, just click on your profile icon at the top left corner under the Chats tab. And from here, you should immediately see the active status option right below the dark mode option. So just tap on that. And I currently have it turned on. So for example, if you currently have your active status turned off like this one, you can just click on this toggle button right here again, and this option will immediately appear if you want to show when you're active together with the people you're chatting with. So if you turn on this active status option, your friends and connections can see when you're active or recently active on this profile on Messenger. And you can also see if they are currently active or not, if they have also turned on this feature. And this one, you can also see when you're both active in the same chat as you are chatting together. So that is how you can basically fix active status on Messenger. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.